Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I am showing you 30 Paki 40 corner old house sale in Hebbal, railway layout Mysore. Northwest corner property. This property both side 40 feet road. Opposite park. Total 1125 square feet site corner property. This house is 20 years old, recently renovated. Clear documents and corporation khatha. West facing door. And for safety purpose metal door entrance and backside door fixed. Entrance, small sit out, and this house is complete granite flooring. This house is 2 BHK with wardrobes and well-maintained house. In this property has separate Borewell connection. First bedroom with wardrobes and dressing table. Very spacious hall. And open kitchen cum dining hall. East-facing puja room. And general bathroom. And wash basin. Utility space. And general toilet. Call 9620349543. Visit Daljees on www.mysoreassets.com.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comments.